Whoa, I hope you're ready for some chaos. My puppy's first Halloween costume just got here and wow, he is really excited. So let's just get this costume on him. Let's do it. So excited to see this on him. This is such great material. I'm gonna drop the links. Beaver's favorite treat. Franklin looks so handsome. So handsome, bud. I almost forgot we have pumpkin ears for him too. Handsome Frank.